One executive club was created as a response to a systemic problem of modern social systems and business units. Strong professionals and proto-creative individuals who seek growth not as consumers, but as creators, possess experience, connections, and opportunities. Yet in most cases, there is no peer-level environment where unconditional trust exists. Contributions are properly recognized, and outcomes are distributed fairly. Networking without structure quickly turns into chaos. Help without rules leads to burnout and exploitation. Deals without clearly defined roles end in conflict. OEC was designed as an infrastructure that eliminates precisely these losses. Historically, similar formats have sought answers to this need. People have always aspired to unite. In the mid-20th century, Diners Club demonstrated how a simple idea embedded in a system could scale globally. Soho House shaped environments where the right context amplifies creativity and collaboration. However, none of these models fully address the key challenge of contemporary business: establishing fair rules of engagement under decentralized governance, providing an economic valuation of contribution, and building a manageable architecture for complex deals. OEC is not a replacement, but the next generation of these systems emerging precisely at this intersection. At the core of the club lies an understanding of trust mechanisms and human biophysiology. Behavioral psychology shows that people sustainably engage in systems where their contributions are visible, acknowledged, and rewarded. This is why OEC was built as an environment where every meaningful step is recorded and value does not dissipate. The club is based on a simple logic. Trust exists when everyone knows that rules will be observed and enforced. Every interaction must have a defined form, role, and confirmation. Every value must be accounted for. Every reward must follow rules, not spontaneous agreements. For this reason, OEC implements KYC, closed access, CRM-based action registration, document verification, and a multi-level governance system, including an ethics committee and the supreme governing body, the FNCM board. This is not control for its own sake. It is protection of fair contribution accounting, rule compliance by all participants, and the sustainability of the entire ecosystem. The club's core principles derive from this logic. Integrity above gain means the system is more important than short-term profit, because broken trust cannot be restored by a single deal. People before transactions establishes the priority of individuals and long-term relationships over short-term advantage. Meaningful goals focus efforts on projects with continuity, not one-off consumption. Compensation for contribution eliminates the unpaid exploitation of strong participants. Mutual support as responsibility transforms help from an emotional impulse into a conscious function of the system. At its core, OEC is built as a balanced, multi-layered ecosystem that aligns the interests of all participants. Social interaction, events, education, and lifestyle formats are supported by a central operating engine that converts social capital into real economic value. Proactive behavior and measurable results are rewarded, while extractive or harmful actions are constrained by design. Incentives are based on tested behavioral and economic principles. Contributions are measured through KPIs. Rewards follow verified outcomes, and a structured, multi-level incentive logic ensures scalable growth without speculative promises. One club, one purpose,